Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make buckwheat noodles with lots of vegetables. I simply love eating buckwheat noodles because they don't contain any gluten, so they're really light on your digestion. And to me, when combined with a lot of vegetables, they're really tasty. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to heat up my pan here. I'm adding a little bit of sesame oil. I don't go too heavy on sesame oil. I kind of balance the flavor with some olive oil, like so. I'm adding 1 onion and I'm going to saute it until it's caramelized. I'm now adding the red peppers and continuing to saute. At any moment you feel like it needs more oil, please do add. Adding in some garlic, the broccoli, and the mushrooms. We are using a lot of vegetables and that is what is going to make this dish delicious. So now I'm going to add some curry powder, which goes great with noodles. I always add curry to my noodles. Red pepper flakes, some black pepper. I'm going to add in salt, but not a lot because we're going to add in soy sauce as well. So maybe just a little pinch. And I'm going to cook this until I see the mushrooms are fully cooked. While that's cooking up, I'm also going to cook the buckwheat noodles. It takes pretty short to cook them. Once everything is nice and soft, I'm going to combine. The veggies are looking great. The noodle is also ready. I'm simply going to transfer the noodle into the veggies. I'm adding some soy sauce, giving everything a nice mix, and we're ready to serve. Garnishing with some cilantro. You can also get in some lime juice in there. This is an absolutely delicious dish for me. I hope you guys try and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.